first, let's just talk a little bit about this coalition, what you guys do, what you guys are doing in communities right now.
Well, the Healthcare Coalition is formed by the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, grant funded from ASPR, from the federal government. And our job is to help healthcare entities plan, prepare, train, and respond to all sorts of disasters, one such like this.
And how do you go about doing that? What kind of actions, what kind of steps are you taking right now?
Well, right now, what we're doing is we're supporting all of our healthcare providers and healthcare entities in what they need. So for the hospitals are looking at a lot of surge, a lot of increased patient traffic. They're also suffering from shortages of medical supplies. So with the help of the federal government releasing the Strategic National Stockpile, we are distributing masks, gloves, and gowns from that Strategic National Stockpile to our hospitals, emergency medical services, first responders, home health agencies, and long-term care agencies right now to help them better respond to this pandemic.
And obviously there's, been a lot of talk, the president made that announcement yesterday, but about, the shortage in a lot of this stuff and the concern that comes from that. How do you take that, and what is your message to the public?
Our message to the public is please heed the warnings from the CDC and follow their guidelines. Understand that we are all working as hard as we can, and we're putting all of our plans in place. All the hospital systems, all of our long-term care agencies, all of our emergency medical services, from transporting ambulances to our first responders. We've been training for this for a very long time. We're responding appropriately. Don't be scared of our personal protective equipment. It's there to protect both us and them. And hang in there. We're all going to get through it.
Well, I appreciate your time so much. I mean, I'm sure this is changing, every day. What, I guess, have you learned through all of this so far? I mean, I'm sure when we take a step back, you'll be able to answer that question more broadly. But right now, what would you say is the biggest thing that you've taken away from all of this?
I would say that our communications platforms are strong. Our partnerships are very strong. We all work well together. So if I'm going to take anything away right now, it's that in Region 6, in our 13 counties in West Michigan, we are a very strong coalition, and we will persevere.
And right now, are you able to get hospitals and these medical facilities the supplies that they need in this moment?
In this moment, we're doing our best.
Okay.
We're using the Strategic National Stockpile, augmenting that with whatever regional cash we have, and we're getting them the supplies that they're requesting and that they need.